Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over is Nowsite's newest, well, I don't want to call it a feature because it's more of a perk. So yeah, Nowsite now has perks. So with that, we're going to actually listen to Justin himself, the CEO of Nowsite, tell you all about it and what it can do and why you should be excited about it. So with that, we're going to dive right into this one, and with that said, here's Justin.
Yeah, so this is really, really fun when I get to present. I'm always excited, and I always say this is the biggest thing, but like, okay, this is really big. And I have the opportunity to introduce our new rewards program, and I think the thing that I want to lead off with is, to me, this is not a feature, right? Like this is not like kind of, Cheryl went through an amazing list of everything that we achieved in 2020 and everything we're planning to achieve in 2021. This one gets its own presentation because it is with respect to everything else that we're doing. This is really big. Like this is, in my view, this is company defining. And I'll explain why. And I think that in about 10 minutes when I'm done, you'll agree with me. And if you don't, that's okay. But I really think you will, because I think this is incredibly exciting. So without further ado, I'm going to get into it. Okay, so we started to talk about this last time we were all together, December 5th. So I'm just going to kind of pick up where I left off in that presentation. Where we are today, Nowsite is without question the most complete online marketing platform ever. We're the only marketing platform that provides live support, even over video conference, 7 days a week. The only one that connects you live with an ever-expanding team of business, health, mental well-being experts, and a growing list of marketing specialists as well. And we have the fastest, easiest path to earning income, the highest revenue share of any affiliate program. We have something that we believe is truly special, and today we are taking that to another level. Just imagine if you were rewarded for every lead you generated, for every time you posted on social media, for every team member that you brought on board, or even just for learning how to use the product. Imagine if we rewarded you just for marketing your own business online. And that was the vision that we had for our rewards program. We wanted to do something very unique. And I can tell you, and you'll see in a moment, that there are companies that have built their entire businesses selling this exact rewards program for $90 or $100 a month. But we have found a way to make it available to all of our customers, new and old, at no additional charge. It's called Nowsite Rewards. And as I said, it is the first and only online marketing platform with a rewards program. In fact, it's hard to think of any software company that provides rewards. And I'm not talking about your Starbucks app. I'm talking about like a pure software company. It's hard to think of a pure software company that has a rewards program. Never mind one as good as this one. And by the way, the rewards are not for referrals. They're not based on how much you spend. You earn rewards simply by using Nowsite to market your own business, whatever business you're in. So how does it work? This is cool. Step one, use Nowsite Marketing. Just grow your business online using this incredible marketing platform we've built. Just use it. Step two, earn reward dollars. You earn reward dollars for your marketing activities, not for promoting Nowsite, for marketing your own business. We will give you reward dollars. And then step 3, redeem for travel. You can then use your reward dollars for huge savings at hundreds of thousands of hotels, car rentals, condos, and much, much more. Did this guy just say travel? Yes. Yes, I did. It is 2021. The vaccines are coming. It's time for all of us to get moving again. And that's exactly what we're going to help everyone do. And as you know, our theme for this year is good to great. So this is not just a good travel program. It's a great travel program. Guaranteed lowest prices. You get the best rates. Best rates available anywhere, which means you save time. You don't have to call around. You don't have to go to a million online sites, shopping for deals. You get exclusive offers through this platform. It's automated, it's simple, it's fast. If you're staying for longer term periods, you get even greater offers and savings, and support's included. White glove concierge support for every one of our customers. And like I said, I don't want you to think that this, you hear about these travel programs where, maybe you get like a choice of, 10, 3-star packages. That is not what we're doing here. That is not what this is about. This is about 500,000 hotels, car rentals, vacations, condos, the best brands in the world. Hilton, Marriott, Sheraton, Four Seasons, Ritz-Carlton, Westin, Enterprise, Hertz, Budget, National. Huge, huge selection. So what you're thinking right now is, okay, this is pretty cool, but I need more details. Okay, no problem. That's what I'm here for. How do you earn rewards? There are 4 ways that you earn. First, we start with a welcome reward. So depending on your plan, every new customer will receive an instant reward bonus when they sign up. For example, a new customer comes on at the $87 entrepreneur plan, they will get a $50 reward bonus just right away when they sign up. Then we want to encourage you, we want to reward you for learning to use the product. So every time you complete one of our training walkthroughs, you're going to earn $1 in rewards every single time. And by the way, we've got I think close to 150 of these training walkthroughs now loaded into the system. Also, most importantly, I would say, is you earn rewards for your marketing activities. $1 for every lead, $1 for every social media post, $1 for every new team member that you add. And finally, it's not just marketing. You also get instant rewards. You get instantly, automatically 100% of your Nowsite Life, the new Marketing Pro, and your Now Club subscriptions. You will also get 100% of those instantly, automatically in reward dollars. So those are the 4 ways. What about limits? What about my ongoing balance? Okay, so in terms of a monthly maximum, here's the deal. You can earn up to 100% of your total monthly subscription. So for example, you're on the $87 entrepreneur plan and you add the $47 Marketing Pro edition, you can earn 87 plus 47, right? You can earn up to $134 per month in rewards. Think of that another way. What we're saying is your entire Nowsite subscription can pay for itself the next time you take a trip. It's incredible. And yes, your balances build forever. As long as you stay an active customer, you can continue to save up your rewards for the trip of your dreams one day in the future. How do you use your rewards? Okay. Very simple. Step 1, you access them. Today, tomorrow, you're going to see a button right under support in the left side menu. When you're going to just click on that rewards balance and it will automatically open the booking engine. That's step one. Step two, you browse. You look for incredible exclusive offers on your dream travel plans. For example, maybe our next Nowsite event, which I sincerely hope is in person. And step three, you redeem. You use your travel, you use your reward dollars towards booking your next travel purchase, saving up to 80%. So access, browse, redeem, 1, 2, 3, super simple. What else do you need to know? There's nothing to set up, first of all. Every current, every future customer is automatically enrolled. There is no cost. In case I wasn't clear at the beginning, I want to say that again. This is being provided to all of our customers and all of our affiliates at no additional cost. And I think it's important to stress the fact that, look, this makes Nowsite marketing, this provides guaranteed return on investment. Now, more than ever, beyond just marketing your business, beyond just building, the online presence that you came here to build with us, every single dollar that you spend marketing your own business with Nowsite can turn directly into savings on your next trip. Every single dollar. We already have a few testimonials. You might recognize these names. I use this product. In fact, I booked our annual family ski trip. We're going to Whistler in March. I saved $1,300 compared to Expedia and fourseasons.com and all the other sites. I personally, I used it. I saved $1,300. Cheryl, she went to visit a friend in Baltimore, saved $300 on her hotel. And Sunny went to Dubai last month and saved $450. Okay, when does this launch? Big question. Soon, super soon. For some of you, today. For others, tomorrow. But everyone, we got tens of thousands of customers and affiliates that we need to migrate onto this new platform. Some of you will be today, some of you will be tomorrow. Everyone will be this week. And here, for the first time, I get to show you what it's all going to look like in this incredible video. Here we go. So, everyone, thank you. Nowsite Rewards, market online, travel worldwide this week.
Wow. Wow. Holy crap. That is literally almost too good to be true and almost damn near impossible. So, I hope you guys saw all that and actually caught the whole thing and just didn't skip through anything, because it's, to be able to market your own business or others' businesses or multiple businesses and get rewarded for trips travel. Who does that? And it's included just to do what you're supposed to do. This is next level. This is amazing. I mean, I can't wait to be able to redeem some and actually use this reward platform, because it's going to be phenomenal. I do a lot of traveling. Well, when the whole pandemic wasn't going on, I did a lot of traveling, and yeah, I wrote it off as taxes for tax deductions because it's for business. But to be able to get these perks, to be able to use these for travel and hotels and car rentals, this is going to be amazing. I can't wait. I can't wait. So you have to see the power. This is an amazing perk. Like I said, don't really want to call it a feature. It's more of a perk. And this is so exciting. This is so next level. This is going to be amazing. This is a game changer for yourself and as well as anyone who does business. Guys, once again, Nowsite is providing you with the tools that you need to be successful in marketing your business and your business in general. So, wow, I don't even know what to say anymore. Well, I guess if you have any questions after that or concerns, feel free to comment in the chat below or the comment section below. Also, my number is actually in the description. You can get a hold of me through multiple social media platforms and do like that. So that's actually my direct line to my cell phone. If you call that number or text it, if you don't feel comfortable calling me, you can text me and I will respond and get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos, do me a favor. That big red button below, and actually towards the end of this video, you'll see it too. You have another chance. But hit that subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You like this last one, so you might want to check this one out. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this video. Hopefully you got some good value from this one. Hopefully you understand more about what this can mean for you and your business. And with that, until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.